Hi friends, Hot Mess Coco here today on What's Cooking Coco. So today we're going to be making dinner. We have to eat, right? So what we're going to be making today is brown chicken gravy. It's so simple, so easy, and so yummy. Let's get started. Okay, so what we're going to need is some chicken breast, cutlets, tenderloins, or chicken thighs. Whatever you have on hand, it will work. Okay, so first we're going to start seasoning it. We're going to go ahead and add some garlic powder. And let's say we're gonna do about a tablespoon of all of our spices, okay? Onion powder, okay? Same tablespoon for all of that. Throw in some paprika. Add some red pepper flakes. This one is not gonna be a tablespoon. Add it to your liking. I like to go ahead and add a little bit in there to just spice it up. We're gonna add some thyme. All right, it's time to add some thyme. That's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna add, let's say a teaspoon of thyme, okay? Rosemary, okay? This is gonna give it all the flavor. The same thing, a teaspoon of rosemary, okay? We have to make sure that we are adding our salt and our pepper, okay? So here we go. We're gonna go ahead and add about, let's say a tablespoon of kosher salt. I always cook with kosher salt, so tablespoon, and then some pepper, okay? Just like that. All right, now don't be afraid to get your hands all in there. You're gonna mix it, okay? Mix it all, make sure everything is coated nice. You're just gonna need a frying pan, whatever size you have, and then some butter, okay? Some good quality butter, okay? I use the Kerrygold, it's my favorite. Just start frying our chicken. I'm gonna go ahead and throw in some fresh garlic, some chopped garlic. Let's say about 2 cloves of chopped garlic, okay? And the chicken breast cooks pretty quickly, so let's just keep moving it around as it's cooking, okay? Turning it on each side. All right, so once that is literally about, like, let's say 90% cooked, we're just gonna go ahead and take it out and put it on like a little tray. Okay, so then after we've taken that out, we're just gonna go ahead and add some onions to that same pan, okay? And let that cook down a little bit. And then we're gonna go ahead and start putting our brown gravy mixture together. So literally it's just 1 packet of these with 1 cup of cold water, and I'm gonna go ahead and use 2 packets because I am a family of 6 and I'm gonna put that together. Now that my mixture is already done, I mixed it. We're just gonna go ahead and pour it into our pan, just like that, okay? And then it's gonna cook down for a little while and it's gonna thicken up. Okay, so now that our gravy has been done, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna go ahead and place it all back inside the gravy, okay? And we're gonna let it cook for just maybe about, let's say 3 to 5 minutes, okay? If it doesn't all fit in there, that's totally fine. So we're just gonna go ahead and make some mashed potatoes. Make sure you have some boiling water, add a whole bunch of salt to that, okay? We're just gonna dump it in there. Let it cook for about maybe 15 minutes. All right, once it's drained, go ahead and add butter to the same pot, and then we're gonna go ahead and dump our cooked potatoes back in, just like that. We're gonna mash it all up. Okay, now that your potatoes are mashed to your liking, this is good enough for me. We're gonna go ahead and add some salt and some pepper, okay? Because we have to make sure that we season everything, just like that, okay? Add some salt and be generous because potatoes are starchy and they pull a lot of salt, so we just have to make sure that we're putting a lot of seasoning in it, okay? Turn that back on. And then we're just gonna go ahead and add some heavy cream, or half and half, whatever you have. I think I'm adding half and half, yep. Just fine, just like that, okay? And we're just gonna mix as we're moving along. Look at that. Add a little bit of garlic powder to this. I like my mashed potatoes to have a little bit of garlicky flavor, so I'm gonna do that, okay? And then I'm gonna go ahead and add maybe about, let's say, a 1/3 cup of sour cream. Okay? And then we should be good to go. Okay, so now I have my mashed potatoes and I threw in some corn because I think we need a veg, and so whatever type of veggie you want, just add it in there. And we're just gonna go ahead and plate it. Okay, got my pieces of chicken. I want this one. Don't forget to add some of that gravy on there. Look at that. Okay, and then you just take some gravy and just drizzle it. Just like that. Guys, that's it. That's dinner for tonight. Guys, and we're done. Look it. I mean, let's just try to make sure everything is good. I'm excited because this speaks comfort to me, especially on a rainy day. Let's try her. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Okay, let me try to get a piece of that chicken. Try to cut it right here. And it cuts so nicely and tender. See that? With the onion, oh my gosh. Wow. This is comfort food right here. Easy, quick, so much flavor. I need to put that down before I devour it. Anyways, thank you guys so much for coming into my kitchen this week again for What's Cooking Coco. Cooking is not hard. All you gotta do is just think about what you want to eat, whip it together, and there you have it. Hope you guys make this dish, and if you do, like, subscribe, tag me, and don't forget to leave me a comment. Love you guys. We'll see you again next time. Bye.